What's up, my friends? Welcome to the channel. I'm Scotty James, and this is the Hellraisin Hellraiser channel. We're all about having fun and raising hell in my 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Widebody and my 1994 25th anniversary Pontiac Trans Am. Now guys, today's video is going to be episode 7 in the Hellraisin Hellraiser Goes to Meet in the Mountains. And if you haven't seen the rest of the series, I'll put a link to it right up there, and you guys can check it out. Now, episode 7 is going to be all about the Autocross we ran at the big car show on Saturday. And I'll tell you what, it was a hell of a lot of fun. It was the first Autocross I've ever done, and I think I did pretty well. For what I was told, I got the 4th best time, which means I didn't win shit, but I'm pretty proud of myself. First place was a Viper, so I don't feel too bad losing out to a Viper in this wide body. So without further ado, let's hit the course. Here's the Autocross course, guys. Probably be walking it in just a few minutes. All right, guys, we're walking the course now.
All I suggest here, folks, is that's going to be pretty fast. If you do feel like you've lost your braking capacity, let off of the brake. Don't just keep it to the floor and plow into that. Let off the brake and just turn. We'll be about 65 miles an hour for most cars. It's going to feel like 160. Full throttle from right here on out.
Okay. So can you turn on the driving line for me? It's my first time autocrossing.
It is?
Yeah. I ran the Dragon yesterday. That was fun.
This ain't nothing like the Dragon.
I've never had more fun than I did on the Dragon.
When you hit these lights, shut it down. Full throttle, it's fun, but hitting that curve out there will not. Shut it down with these lights as quickly as you can. We tested it this morning, and you're almost red line at second gear. If you do that corner right every time, it's pretty fast. A lot faster than walks. Once you exit, you should slowly go back into your car. Y'all ready?
Guys, we're getting ready to head out for the autocross. Wish me luck. Good. Thanks, sir. I knew I'd get lost.
That is why you fail.
Know where you going this time?
Hell, I don't know. was going on the side the cone was laying on.
You got good shit, yeah. Let's restart, yeah. I'll tell you what'll make you faster once you figure the course. As soon as you do your slowing down for the corner, let off the brake. Completely let off.
See, I was starting the whole fucking thing wrong on the wrong side,
Yeah,
so that was it. Thank you, brother.
You got this, brother.
Thanks,
you got
brother.
it.
These wide bodies stick, don't they? Dude, I tore up the tail of the Dragon yesterday. That was the most fun I've ever had in a car in my life, dude.
I've got a Cam Challenger that I run nationally, but my wife, we just bought a wide body 392 Charger for
Oh,
her.
okay.
She loves it. Just won't even let me drive it.
Oh, wow. Right on. Yeah, thanks, brother. That was
Hey,
the help.
you're welcome,
You got me
man.
started on the right foot now.
Well, you're on the right foot now.
Guys, that was a fun one. Now that my buddy John, shout out to John, helping us run this autocross, and he showed me the ropes, so now I think I'll do pretty good. Alright guys, the autocross is all done. They're picking up the cones for us. I want to thank these guys, East Tennessee Region Sports Car Club of America, for helping us run the show today. And I got 4th place for my first autocross ever, so I'm pretty happy. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in. And if you like this video, please give me a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel below. It helps the channel greatly. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss episode 8 of the Hellraisin Hellraiser Goes to Meet in the Mountains, where we're going to show you the big car show. We had 350 Mopars. It's the most Mopars I've ever seen in one place, and you won't believe some of the stuff these guys do to their cars. So don't miss it. And we'll see you next time on the Hellraisin Hellraiser channel.